If you are in need of a Tesla-approved Model 3 collision repair in the Irving Park neighborhood of Chicago, you have come to the right place. At B&L Automotive Repairs, we specialize in repairing Tesla Model 3 vehicles after a car accident, restoring them to Tesla's exact standards. Our trained technicians use Tesla-approved tools and genuine Tesla parts to ensure the safety, performance, and appearance of your Model 3 are fully restored. We handle everything from structural repairs and bodywork to paint matching, making sure every detail meets Tesla's specifications. With our thorough inspection and repair process, your vehicle will look and drive like it should. Call B&L Automotive Repairs today to schedule your Tesla Model 3 repair estimate. Your Phil